NBIS stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Look, I'm the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And when I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. Bro, it's all on my YouTube channel. Please go ahead and check it out. Regarding NBIS position and where we are, it started shifting and then I'm all about this shift. In terms of me buying next week, well, it's not going to be an immediate long. It's just not the way that I roll in terms of the price pumping, right? Like, I would much rather appreciate it if it pulls down and then gives me the confirmation, because that's only then when I really pull the triggers on these. And most of the times it just goes, right? It just goes, and that's part of the game. You know, I'm not just going to run after it and trying to force trades because I have FOMO, the fear of missing out. And I do have a lot of receipts with NBIS as well in the Discord, so, you know. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, then just click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.